Hey, what's up? It's Emiliano from SANDMARC. We've been getting a lot of questions about how to shoot night photography, so we thought in today's video we would give you guys 5 awesome hacks you guys can use in your next iPhone 11 night photography journey. Before we get into the hacks, we're going to go over a few specs on the cameras. So the first camera we have is the ultra wide at 13mm f2.8 without image stabilization. The next camera is the wide camera at 26mm f1.8 with image stabilization. An important thing to know is the wide camera is the only camera that you can use with night mode. So now that we know what we're working with, let's get into these hacks. The first hack I'm going to show you guys is actually really simple and easy. It's a long exposure effect within the camera app. So what we're going to do is hit the live icon here to take a live photo. Oh, it's actually off. Okay, so live is on now. So come with me this way. We're going to go over here a little bit closer. So I'm going to get a shot. I think this looks really sweet right here with like the city. That's San Diego, downtown San Diego. So I'm going to get kind of like a low shot here and wait till some of the waves start to really build up so I can get some motion in here. So let's wait. Okay, I swear there was like so many waves coming and now it's not even, now there's just like the waves. Okay, we'll just try a few. There. Okay, let's see if this works. So the next thing you'll do is you have your live photo here. You swipe up, you have these effects. So you have live, loop, bounce, and long exposure. The next hack I'm going to show you guys, I'll be explaining in the car because we're over the freeway on a bridge to capture the cars on the highway. And it's pretty loud out there, so I want you guys to be able to understand and hear me. So to get this effect, we're going to do is activating night mode while we have daylight. So to do that, we are going to use this NDscape 128 and whoops, I just dropped it. We're going to put it on the iPhone just like this, and as you can see, we have night mode. So if you take it off, night mode disappears. Actually, let me roll down the window really quick because it's tinted, so it thinks that it's darker. So as you can see, the night mode disappeared, and then as we put it back on, you can see we have night mode activated. So let me show you guys how this effect works because it's actually really cool, and it's probably one of my favorite hacks. This next hack I'm going to show you guys is going to be really helpful for when you want to get those awesome night photography shots. With the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro, we're given the option to use a mode called night mode, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to turn that on. So what you want to do is face your camera towards the subject and swipe up, and you see there's a moon icon here. This icon will only pop up when it's nighttime or when it's dark enough. So you go ahead and hit that, and it brings up the exposure time. So right now it says off. So if you slide it to the middle, it goes to auto. And then if you slide it one more time, it goes to the max exposure time. So we're gonna take a few shots and show you guys how this setting works. So I got some really cool shots with this night mode. The one thing you wanna know is that you wanna be really steady or get a tripod. But since the wide camera has image stabilization, you should be fine, which I used it handheld. But just make sure that you're as steady as possible because any movement will cause your photos to be a little blurry. Like I said earlier, if you want to use the ultra wide camera, you won't be able to use night mode. So my next hack is to use the wide angle lens from SANDMARC. So what we're going to do is, actually I'm going to show you first. So we have the wide camera, and as you can see we have the moon icon, so that's night mode. When we switch over to ultra wide, that disappears, so we're not able to use it. But what we can do is just add this lens on, and we have a wide angle lens, and we can use night mode. The last hack I'm going to show you guys is probably one of the most popular night photography tricks, which is light painting. So this is a really fun hack. You can get really creative with it. When going about this hack, the first thing you'll want to do is wait until it gets dark. You can either go outside or do this within your own home and turn off all the lights like I'll be doing today. The second thing is putting your phone on a tripod and putting it in night mode. I say to put your phone on a tripod because we are given the option to have a 30-second exposure time. If we're trying to do a handheld, we only get 10 seconds and it doesn't work all that great. So instead, we're going to take advantage of the 30-second exposure time and do it that way. Let me show you guys what I meant by having your phone on a tripod or doing a handheld. So as you can see here, we have 10 seconds at the bottom. So it says max 10 seconds. The second we put it down on the table, we are given 30 seconds. So that's what we want to take advantage of. And now let me show you guys how we can do this. Okay, if you're not familiar with light painting, I might have forgotten to mention that you'll need a source of light, so like a flashlight. You can just use your iPhone, that's what I'll be using. And then I have the phone set up on this tripod just like this. So I'll go ahead and set it up and show you guys what it'll look like. So we'll just put it just like this. Let me open the camera. So we'll put it just like this, and then once it's completely dark, I'll be able to set the exposure time at 30 seconds, hit the shutter, and then start painting. So I'll show you guys how that works. And that's how you shoot light painting on your iPhone 11 using night mode. I had a lot of fun showing you guys these 5 hacks. Now it's your turn to go out there and shoot some awesome photos using these hacks. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.